All right, now you've got your 40 rows of stockinette. So as you can see, I'll explain this just one more time now that we've got a nice fabric to show. This is stockinette right here. This smooth fabric on one side and this bumpy fabric on the other. That's stockinette. And then this edging here that we've got, where it's bumpy on both sides and it creates kind of like a ladder, that's garter stitch. These are very, very, very common, ubiquitous stitches that are used in almost everything. So, good things to practice, good things to get a good flow on. Now, some of you may have lost count. How many rows do you really have? Well, what we're going to do is I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to show you how to count your stitches, count your rows. Let me get this down here. I'm going to take this off my shirt and it's going to be really weird looking for a minute. Okay. Let's see if I can hold this still. So, as you can see, you've got a bunch of V's on your stockinette. Each V is a row. Now, these are upside down, but alright, here we go. So each V will be a row. And thanks to my variegated yarn, you can see each row separately in color. So this is one row, it's a second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So you can count your rows, make sure you've got 40, and then you're going to go ahead and knit 3 rows to finish out your border. But real quick, how to count a garter stitch row. Now let's do it on the edge. On this one, you're going to count bumps and spaces. On a garter stitch, you count the bump and then the space in between, which you see is a V. So each bump is a row and each V is a row. So I've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get the drift. Bumps and spaces and garters, V's and stockinette. You can also count the back side of stockinette. It's a little bit more confusing now because you're counting every 2 bumps as one row. So this purple and this pink, that's one row. This gray and this purple, that's one row. And it's again here. So I've got, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see it's a little harder to count on this side. Counting the V's is a little easier on the stockinette side. So go ahead and knit your final 3 rows, and then we're gonna show how to lay it out and count within your 4 inches.